Here is the list of idioms. This is not my cup of tea. Not a big deal. I was under the impression to assume or believe something. Let it be. Stop worrying about it. It's not fair. Hit the bull's eye to get the target or goal. Take the bulls by the horn to confront a difficult situation directly. Feeling a bit under the weather, giving benefits of doubt. This is none of my business. This is none of your business. Mind your own business. Mind your tongue. Behave yourself. Piece of cake. Resort to something to turn to second options or last options. Bubble has burst means end of happy period. To be honest means speaking frankly. I could make out that. Trust me, I won't let you down. Beating around the bush in the back of my mind. Least bothered. I don't care. Who cares? I don't care. It's not like that. I don't think so. Are you sure? You never know. At the end of the day, think out of box for that matter. In a way, all the way. The ball is in your court. Don't sit on the fence. Grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. Face the music. Taste your own medicine. Face the music. Taste your own medicine. It's not rocket science. Comparing apple to orange. Comparing apples to orange. I could make out that. Fall in line. Things will fall in place. On the same page. In the same boat. Things will fall into place. Sense of pride. Sense of responsibility. You will end up doing. Who cares? I don't care. I don't deny. Unleash your power. Unleash your potential. Not a big deal. Connect the dot. Take for granted. To underestimate the value of something. Cup of tea. Matter of interest. Be in the driver's seat. To be in charge or control of a situation. Serve the purpose. I was under the impression that, for some reason or other, make the most of something. Mind your own business. It's none of your business. Mind your tongue. Behave yourself. The moment I saw her, I mean to say that I take my words back. I take my words back. I don't want to rock the boat. In worst case scenario, in best case scenario, win-win situation. Jump the gun. Don't jump the gun. Take up something. I will get it done. Edge over something. Address the problem. Address the issue. Address the issue. Put in nutshell. In a nutshell. It's a long story. Long story short. You never know. At the end of day, feel the heat. Take care of something. Take care of something. Look after something. The fact of the matter is, at the end of day, make it fast. Jump to conclusion. Bring something to the table. Turn the table. Under the table. Secretly. To table something. Taste the water. Cup of tea. Matter of interest. It's not my cup of tea. Do not count your chicken before hatching the eggs. Don't make plans based on the predicted results. Do not count your chicken before hatching the eggs. Do not make plans based on predicted results. Next to impossible, more than happy. All I want to say, all I am saying, give it a try. You will definitely love it. Dance to your own tune, dance to your own music. Old wine in new bottle. Take the bulls by the horns. On the same page, in the same boat, tip of the iceberg. Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile. In the same boat, tip of the iceberg. Go the extra mile. Let me just put it across. A race against the time. Read between the line. Thanks.